Very good morning to you all. Today we are going to know about the strength of acids and bases. The strength of acids and bases are expressed on pH scale. It means pH scale represents the strength of acids and bases. In the word pH, P stands for a German word potence, which means power, and H stands for hydrogen ion concentration. Here concentration means amount of a substance present in a given substance. It means hydrogen ion concentration means the amount of hydrogen ions present in a given solution. Pure water is neither acidic nor basic in nature because it contains equal number of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. As we know that chemical formula of water is H2O. H2O molecules contains H ion and OH ions. On adding an acid in water, it means when we add acid in water, hydrogen ion concentration increases because acid gets ionized into hydrogen ion. It means in acidic solution, hydrogen ion concentration is more than that of hydroxide ions. And on the other hand, in basic solutions, OH ion concentration is more than that of hydrogen ion. So from above discussion, it is clear that both the solutions, that is acidic and basic, contain hydrogen ion. If concentration of hydrogen ion is more than hydroxide ion, then the solution will be acidic in nature, and if hydroxide ion is more than hydrogen ion, then the solution will be basic in nature. In order to express the strength of acids and bases, in 1909 Sorensen devised a scale on which the strength of acid solutions as well as basic solutions can be represented by making use of hydrogen ion concentration. He linked H ion concentration of the solutions to the simple numbers 0 to 14. pH of a solution may be defined as the pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ions present in a solution. So the scale on which strength of acid or base is measured is known as pH scale. pH scale has values from 0 to 14. A neutral substance has pH of 7. It means the substances having pH 7 are neutral, that is, they have no effect on indicators. pH scale gives the amount of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Since pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the hydrogen ion concentration, so acids have a pH of less than 7. Strong acids have lower pH values. It means lower the pH value, stronger will be the acid. Acids having pH 1 to 3 are considered as strong acids, and acids having pH 4, 5, 6 are considered as weak acids. Bases have pH of more than 7. It means if the pH of a solution is more than 7, then it will be basic in nature. Basic nature of substances increases with increase in the pH value. If it means higher the pH, stronger will be the base. That is, the substances having pH 11, 12, 13 and 14 are considered as strong bases, and the substances having pH 8, 9, 10 are considered as weak bases. Mathematically, pH may be expressed as pH equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. It means the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration of a solution gives the pH of the solution. As the definition of pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration. It means as the hydrogen ion concentration increases, the pH will decrease. It means hydrogen ion concentration is the strength of a solution, and it decides that whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Okay. In next video, we will read about the importance of pH in everyday life. My dear students, I would like to suggest you that in the present pandemic condition, you have an opportunity to do self-study more and more. I think that, and it is my experience, that self-study is the best study. A teacher may only guide a student, but a student learn everything on its own. Okay, thank you.